Sichuan steamed pork with toasted rice flour, Fen Zheng Ro. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 90 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams pork belly, 2 tablespoons Sichuan Pixian broad bean paste, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 cube fermented red bean curd, 1 teaspoon sugar, a half cup short grain white rice, 2 tablespoons glutinous rice. Step 1. Prepare the pork belly by slicing it into uniform pieces, roughly 5 cm long and 0.5 cm thick. Place the slices in a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Add the minced doubanjiang, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, grated ginger, mashed red bean curd, and sugar to the pork. Massage the marinade into each slice of meat for 2 to 3 minutes until well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Step 3. While the pork marinates, prepare the rice flour. In a dry wok or skillet over medium-low heat, add the white rice, glutinous rice, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, and cinnamon. Step 4. Toast the rice mixture, stirring constantly, for 10 to 15 minutes until the rice turns a golden brown and smells intensely fragrant. Remove the star anise and cinnamon stick. Step 5. Allow the toasted rice to cool slightly, then pulse it in a spice grinder or blender until it reaches a coarse, sandy consistency. Do not grind it into a fine powder, the texture is key. Step 6. Add the ground rice flour to the marinated pork. Toss thoroughly to ensure every slice of meat is thickly and evenly crusted with the rice. Step 7. Drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water or stock over the pork and rice mixture. This prevents the rice from being too dry or crunchy after steaming. Step 8. Prepare a heat-proof steaming bowl. Layer the chunks of sweet potato or squash at the bottom of the bowl in an even layer. Step 9. Carefully arrange the pork slices on top of the vegetables, overlapping them slightly, shingle style, to ensure even cooking. Step 10. Set up a steamer with plenty of water. Once the water is boiling, place the ball inside, cover tightly, and steam over medium heat for 80 to 90 minutes. Step 11. Check the water level halfway through and replenish with boiling water if necessary to prevent the steamer from running dry. Step 12. The dish is ready when the pork fat is translucent and the meat can be easily pierced with a chopstick. Carefully remove the ball from the steamer. Step 13. If you want a traditional presentation, place a serving plate over the ball and carefully invert it so the sweet potatoes are on top, or simply serve it directly from the ball. Garnish generously with chopped scallions and cilantro. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.